Hey guys, so today I will be sharing with you the recipe of the cabbage soup. So if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, last time I actually made a video about the cabbage soup diet and some of you have requested me to actually provide the recipe of the cabbage soup that I was eating. So that soup is not only good for weight loss, but also it's good for hair growth as well, because as I've said, hair growth is not only about the things that you put topically on your hair, but it's also about nutrition and the foods that you are eating. And as I've always said, nutrition also plays a huge role in growing your hair fast and long. Alright, so if you're planning to lose weight, please refer to the diet plan on my other video. I'm actually going to link that video down below in the description box if you are aiming for that. But however, if you're not planning to lose any weight at all, you can just simply eat the soup to enjoy it or to help you grow out your hair. And also, my personal experience to this, I lost 3 pounds doing this diet. It also fixed my digestive issues, and at the same time I lost an inch on my waistline. So basically those are the benefits that I noticed when I tried the cabbage soup diet. And actually this cabbage soup is probably one of my favorite vegetable soup to eat, just because it is very filling and it is very healthy. Okay, so if you all are interested, then let's get started. So of course the first ingredient that we are going to use is cabbage, because cabbage aids in weight loss, helps fight inflammation, anemia, and prevent ulcer. Plus, the high sulfur in cabbage is helpful in making your hair grow stronger and averting hair loss. So I will cut them into small strips like this. Now you can use the whole head of the cabbage or just the half of it. It really depends on how much you're going to make. So the next ingredient is carrot. Now carrots contain vitamin A, phosphorus, fiber, vitamin K, vitamin C, which stimulates sebum production that conditions your scalp and helps combat hair loss. Now carrots are also capable of improving the overall strength of your hair, making your hair thicker and shinier. Okay, now this is optional, but I will also add in some potatoes. Now if you're using this to lose weight, you can replace the potatoes with the green bell peppers. I'm just using potatoes here because it contains vitamin B, vitamin C, zinc, niacin, and iron, which can help nourish hair follicles and promote hair growth. So I will cut them into little cubes like these. The next ingredient is using tomatoes. Now tomatoes contain important vitamins like A, B, C, and E, which are excellent stimulants for healthy hair and also preventing hair loss. Tomatoes also helps regulates blood sugar levels, revs up your metabolism, and it has some fat burning properties because it encourages the production of amino acid called carnitine, and this amino acid is reported to enhance body's fat burning ability. And also tomatoes are also good for digestion. And also I will add some celery to this soup because celery can naturally lower your cholesterol level. It aids in weight loss and helps keep skin glowing because it contains vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin K, niacin, and folate that are essential for repairing skin damages. So in here I will cut them into little chunks like these, and then after that I will also use 4 cloves of garlic, and I'm just simply going to mince that. Now garlic is known to be rich in vitamin C that is great for promoting hair growth. It also boosts collagen production that helps stimulate hair growth. And then of course we will use 1 whole onions because onions are rich in sulfur, so it helps nourishes your hair follicles, improve hair growth, and minimize hair thinning. Now for the seasoning, you can use chicken broth or vegetable broth if you're vegan. You can also add some salt and pepper as well, but keep in mind that if you're using this for weight loss, you need to keep the soup low sodium so you can actually see some results. But however, if you want this to be flavorful, you can use whatever seasoning you think is best for this soup. Okay, so in a pot, I already put some olive oil in there, and now I am going to add in the minced onions first, and then after that add in the garlic, and then I'll add in the tomatoes. And then this is the part where I will add in the chicken broth. Now you can use the liquid broth if you prefer. For me, I use the cubed broth instead. And then after that, I will add in the carrots and the potatoes. And then I will add in about 2 cups of water or more. I actually just eyeballed everything. And I totally forgot to add the celery, so I'm doing that now. And then I'm gonna bring that into a boil, and then once that's done, and I see that the other vegetables are also cooked, I will add in the cabbage. Now, this is optional, but however, if you want to make this soup more flavorful, you can add more seasoning. So in here, I'm just using the garlic salt seasoning, and this makes the soup taste even better. And then I let it cook for a few more minutes, and then once it's done, it's going to look something like this. This is our finished product. So this soup is very filling and is well loved by my grandma and my family, so I really like making this. And also, this soup is not only good for weight loss, but it is a healthy soup that you can incorporate in your diet. You don't necessarily have to eat this every day, but if you're doing this for the cabbage soup diet, you can try it out. And as I've said, you can modify the soup according to your own liking. So that means you could add more ingredients or take away some. This recipe is the recipe that I find that has worked for me, and I've seen some results on my body. So that's why I'm sharing this to you guys. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And once again, if you found this content valuable, please do share it, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!